Cooper and I are going on an adventure. We're gonna walk in this to Starbucks. Right, Cooper? It's up to my mid-leg. Right, Cooper? Hey, look.
It's up to my knees.
So we are not the only ones who tried to make an escape.
We're the hero!
Cooper.
Dun, 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 dun.
And here we are almost at Braddock Road, which is normally... He's running! Which is normally jammed with cars on a Saturday morning. And what do you see? Nothing. Oh, here comes a lone car. Oh, they're all work trucks though. Nobody's as stupid as we are. All right, we're gonna try to make this. Oh, here they are. Here are the snowplows. I don't know. He's just gonna have to get a face full of snow later, I think. Ah! Cooper, we gotta hurry. There's a car behind us. What do we do? Take the trail or run?
Go!
Okay, let's go. Come on. Run quickly. Ah, he got me. Okay, I'm gonna catch him. Go.
Okay. Today, everything when we walk to the store near our house is closed down, but except 7-Eleven. Because it's having a storm with snow. Most people know. See? Stuffer. Whoa! Come here. Oh, there's a little bird.
Are we going in?
Yeah.
All right. See you later.
Hello everybody, this is Flickhead 5023. Look, it's been a massive snowstorm. We're gonna be doing extreme snowboarding. No, here's his hand.
Here we are in the snow again, sledding with our neighbors. We are going to
Sled all the way down there. I'm not sure how fast we're gonna go, but we're gonna go fast. That's all I can say. Cut. We are ready to go. And we are moving at a slow pace so far, but we will be catching speed. We are catching speed. Woo! Make sure to steer. Oh, road blockage! Road
every time you
blockage!
lean, that's why we go the wrong direction. You gotta keep steady.
We're coming in fast. We're gonna hit. We hit civilians, and we caught on another board.
It has continued snowing today. Everything is totally covered in snow. Look at that. You can't even really fathom the depth. It's unbelievable.
This probably would be the snow we get, huh?